Gismondi and I am the ELT Director for the Andean region.
I'm Gonzalo Pastor, the Learning Technology Manager for the Andean region.
And I am Cecilia Rodriguez. I am Academic Coordinator for Peru and Bolivia.
And we are here to share with you our success on how to sell mails and online products this last year. The Andean region is formed by 4 countries: Colombia, Ecuador, Peru and Bolivia. And because we had this great success on the selling of MyLabs and the online products, the Marketing International team asked us to share our stories with you. We believe the key to this success was the synergy we had between the ELT teams and the people from the technology areas that helped us and supported us, not only internally, not only our own teams, but also on the support to our customers. So I won't talk anymore. I will leave this space to Cecilia Rodriguez, who is our academic coordinator for Peru and Bolivia.
So I will talk about our strategy in order to have this position as number 1 in selling the MyLabs. I think that there are 5 things that are important. First of all is to identify the target. See which of your customers are ready to take up technology as a tool. You can do this by asking questions about innovations they want to make in the center or how they are dealing with new technologies and so on. This is crucial. They have to be ready to use technology. The second thing is, when you go and visit your customers, do not sell the tool, sell the content first. Once they have fallen in love with the course book, you present the MyLab as an additional tool. And when you present the MyLab, talk about the 3 pillars: enhanced learning, informed teaching, and flexible solution. Now, when talking about these 3 pillars, do not just say that these are advantages. Use a deductive approach. For example, you can do this by asking them questions. How do you make your students practice at home? How do you get information that is objective about students' performance? How do you assess what your students are doing in the classroom? How do you provide students with interactive activities every day, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week? And then, once they are engaged with these possibilities, show them what MyLab can do. Next step is do training, and here you have to take them by their hands. Once customers like the MyLab, tell them that it is very easy to start. Show them the navigation tabs. It's always easy. They find out that if they can use social media, like for example Facebook, or send an email, they are prepared to use a MyLab. Also, make use of those teachers who are techie in the institution, and they can help you continue the training once you have to come back to Pearson and do other things. Support is another important thing, especially in the registration process, because once students and teachers have been registered, the rest runs really smoothly. So be there. It is better for you to take the time and register all the students and all the teachers. This will save up a lot of effort later. And last but not least, having fast answers and having follow-up is crucial in this process. And for this, I would like to invite Gonzalo Pastor to tell you how are we working together to provide fast answers and follow-up.
The first thing that we need is that the customer should be clear of mail technical requirements and specifications. The second thing is the customer needs to feel safe about getting support and answer to all their questions. So you need to choose one person to face for each customer. The third thing is that the customer needs to have first-hand information from us, from our team, from the people, not from the web page. And the fourth thing is that we need to become their partners to solve any issue.
To end up this, we wish you the best year on selling mails and online products. And of course, remember, this is not just about selling content. It is about offering service, the best service in the world. Bye, good luck, bye.